you watch this video to the end, you would have learned how to make the best carrot cake you would ever make. It's super easy to make and is beginner friendly. So go get yourself a mixing bowl and make the best carrot cake ever. So the first thing you're going to do is to preheat your oven at 160 degrees Celsius, and that is about 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So while that is preheating, we are going to go ahead to prep our ingredients. So we are starting with the carrots, which is the star of this recipe. So you need about 3 medium-sized carrots, and this is about 300 grams of carrots. So you want to wash this properly and scrape off the back. This is to remove any dirt from the carrots. And I'm using my peeler to do this, but you can also use a knife. So after peeling the skin off, I like to just wash this off again before grating and we're going to be using a boss grater to grate this finely. So after grating, this is what the carrot looks like. And we're going to be adding in some walnuts into the carrot cake as well. And this is about 3/4 cups of walnuts. We're going to go ahead to just roughly chop this up. And the next thing we're going to do is to prepare our baking pan by applying some butter into that and lay it over with some baking paper. And this is to ensure that the carrot cake comes out of the pan easily after baking. And if you don't want to use baking paper, you can just dust the pan with some flour after coating with the butter. Now that we are done with that, we're going to go ahead to prep the dry ingredients. And for that, we're going to need 2 cups of flour, which is about 250 grams, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger powder, and half teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you want to mix this together until everything is evenly distributed. And in a separate bowl, you're going to add in 3/4 cups of sugar. But if you want the carrot cake a little bit sweeter, you can use 1 cup. And into that, we're going to add in 3 eggs. But make sure the eggs are at room temperature and it's not cold. You want to beat this together for about 5 minutes. And after about 4 to 5 minutes of beating, you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3/4 cups of oil. So I used sunflower oil here, but you can also use canola oil or any odorless, tasteless oil. And you want to mix this together before adding in the dry ingredients that we prepared earlier. You want to mix this together until there are no streaks of flour left in your batter. And you want to make sure not to overmix this. So just mix until it looks like this. Then go in with the grated carrots and the chopped up walnuts. And you're going to mix everything together until the carrots and walnuts are evenly distributed. So the next thing we're going to do is to transfer our batter into our already prepared pan. Tap this on the countertop to remove some bubbles and then bake in the preheated oven for about 50 minutes or until a skewer or toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Allow this to cool down for about 5 minutes in the pan before removing it and just look at how easy it was to remove. And while baking, be sure not to open your oven for at least the first 40 minutes. If not, the cake is not going to rise well. And you want to allow the carrot cake to cool down for a little bit so that it's not too hot before cutting into it. And our carrot cake is ready. Just look at how moist this looks and it tasted really good. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So if you tried this recipe or you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.